I'm going to show you how simple it is to leave us some feedback. First, open your cell phone camera and scan the QR code. Once the camera focuses on the QR code, a yellow link button will pop up. Click on it, and this will redirect you to America's Mortgage Professionals Google review page. Then, give us a rating and share your thoughts. Your feedback is very appreciated. Next, click the post button at the bottom of the page to share your feedback with us. And that's it. It's that easy. You support us, and we can continue serving and reaching amazing clients just like you. Thank you so much for your support.